Hello and welcome to the International Federation of Public History YouTube channel. My name is Lily and I am an IFPH Explorers intern. Today we are going to be making Anzac biscuits and discussing a bit about their history.
Anzac biscuits are culturally connected in Australia and New Zealand to the commemoration of the World War I Gallipoli campaign. However, the exact origin of the biscuits is debated. The predominant narrative is that women sent the biscuits to their deployed husbands, sons, fathers, or brothers. Dr. Sheehan Supsky maintains that Australian women developed the recipe to provide nutritional biscuits that could survive the long journey to their loved ones. Dr. Supsky suggests the women were concerned about the health of the soldiers because food in the Anzac trenches was unpalatable. An example of the poor food conditions is shown on the right of the screen. The photo shows two soldiers pounding and sifting army wholemeal biscuits into meal using a shell and mosquito netting. Soldiers had to ground the biscuits because they were too hard to eat, and the meal could be used to make porridge, which they often sweetened with condensed milk. Additionally, the official history of Charles Bean reported that daily bread supplies for soldiers were dependent on weather and allocated to only half the troops. Water and fuel shortages also frequently interrupted baking. Despite the debated origin of Anzac biscuits, Dr. Supsky said the biscuits have a powerful connection to cultural identity and commemoration in Australia. Supsky said that eating Anzac biscuits connects people to the Gallipoli landing in 1915, which he regards to be the birth of the nation. Consequently, baking and eating the biscuits affirms participants' membership in Australia. She also argues that the significance of the tradition is related to its powerful connection to the crucial role women played in the war effort and the role they continue to play in remembrance. Associate Professor Lindsay Kelly offers another perspective, suggesting that baking and eating Anzac biscuits is a form of war reenactment that generates a constant state of war preparation. Supsky and Kelly both demonstrate the historical and cultural significance of Anzac biscuits and their critical impact on the nation. Today we are going to use a recipe from the Margaret Fulton Cookbook, which was first published in 1968. The recipe called for 4 ounces of butter and 1 tablespoon of golden syrup to be melted on the stove. Two tablespoons of boiling water and 1½ teaspoons of bicarbonate soda are then added to the mixture and stirred. The melted ingredients should be poured and mixed into a bowl containing 1 cup of rolled oats, 3/4 of a cup of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of plain flour, and 1 cup of sugar combined. After combining the ingredients, use your hands to roll small balls of the mixture and place them onto a tray covered in baking paper. Space the balls away from each other to avoid the cookies connecting during the cooking process. Bake the biscuits in an oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Allow the biscuits to cool for a few minutes before taking them out of the oven.
And this is the final product. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more videos about public history, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe.